Hi, so today we're going to go over how to install the IVMS4200 program on a Mac. That's the program to view your cameras. So first step is we're going to open up Safari or Chrome, whatever browser you use on your Mac. Right, and we're going to go to www.centurytechsupport.com. Okay, we're going to select software downloads. And then you're looking for wherever it says IVMS4200 for Mac. So you're going to click on that. And in Safari, it's going to go right up here, your downloads. So you'll see it's progressively going through. And once that's done, so you basically click on this downward facing arrow here and then double click on IVMS4200. And what you'll see here is, you might not see it, but you probably most likely will, that the IVMS4200 package can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer. So what you need to do to get around this is click OK. You're going to click on the little apple on the top left, go to System Preferences, okay, and right where it says Security and Privacy here, you're going to double click on that. Make sure you're on the General option here. If you're somewhere else, right, like in Firewall or Privacy, you want to click on General. And right here at the bottom, you should see something like IVMS4200 was blocked from opening, and you should have an Open Anyway button. So go ahead and click on that, and then click on the Open button that appears here in this pop-up. Okay, and behind here, or right up front, you'll get this installer window. You'll click Continue. You'll click Install. You'll probably get prompted for your password, so just go ahead and hit that. Enter in a password, and then click to continue or to install. And then once that's done, you'll get this message, and you'll click Close. Right now the program is installed on your Mac, but just for convenience, what we'll do is, well, I'm going to minimize out of this stuff. You'll want to open up your Finder down here, the little face, and click on Applications. Now in this whole big list, you're going to look for IVMS4200. It looks like this. So here it is, and what I like to do is just pull it over and drop it onto my desktop, so for easier access. So we'll close out of this. What you'll do is a double click on IVMS4200. You'll see it's bouncing here. That just means it's loading up. So we'll give it a second. Okay, it's going to ask us for a username and password. I'm going to go ahead and put the same password on here that's on my camera system. Just know the password has to be at least 8 characters long and must be a mix of letters and numbers. Right, and if you don't want it to prompt you each time to enter a password, you can just put a check and enable auto login, and then click register. Okay, once that loads up, you'll get a little wizard here. You can cancel out of that. All right, now in order to add the camera system, the connection to the camera system, what you'll want to do is click on Device Management. Right, click the Add button. Now at this point, you're going to want to refer to either the sheet that you received with your connection information at the time of install. You also should have received an email with that connection information as well. That's what you're going to enter in on this screen here. Now if you didn't receive either of those, or you don't know where they are, please give us a call at this point, 516-822-7770. And we'll be more than happy to provide that information for you. So I'm going to go ahead and add the connection to my camera system. And again, yours will definitely be different than this, so you'll want to refer to that connection information or get that info from us if you don't have it. Okay, so this is the connection info to mine. Your port's probably going to just say 8000. but this happens to be mine. So we're going to add. Okay, and it said import succeeded, and it put a serial number here, so that's all good. Net status is this green globe. So now in order to view our cameras live, you're going to click on Control Panel on the top left, select Main View, and mine says Sentry here. Yours is going to say whatever you chose for the nickname back here in Device Management when you were adding. Right? So all you need to do is just do a double click on that, and all your cameras are going to load up. Right? And then to view a camera in full screen, all you need to do is just do a double click, and then you'll get that one camera appearing in full screen. You double click again, and it will go back to the full camera view. Right? And that's how you install the camera program on your Mac.